Hi there, it's Mr. Clark. Welcome to lesson 9.2.2 on analyzing 7 diminished 7 of 5 chords. So, unique among all the chords that we've looked at so far, 7 diminished 7 of 5 has 2 accidentals in the chord. If you're just dealing with a triad, like up here, might only have 1. Actually, no, never mind. This is the only one that has 2 accidentals. So if you see 2 accidentals in a single chord, at this point, you should be like, that's probably a 7 diminished 7 of 5. Once you go out into the wild, there are more chords that have multiple accidentals, etc., etc. But, at this point, as we're going through the music theory and introducing just a couple new chords at a time, probably use some context clues. If you see 2 accidentals, what's this weird chord? I don't know. Probably the new chord. So here's an example from Franz Schubert's song Erlkönig. So we're pretty clearly in G minor with the repeated G's in the right hand. Okay, so we're in G minor. Then we go to a 7th chord. We have A, C, and G. There's no 5th, but we don't need a 5th if this is important. So this is a 2 half diminished chord. It's missing the 5th, but it's in first inversion, so 2 half diminished 6/5. That's our predominant. And then we get here, we have C sharp, B flat, and G. Oh wait, we have an E natural. So we have our 2 accidentals. If we stack this in thirds, we get C sharp, E natural, G, and B flat. That's a fully diminished 7th chord. But it's not 7 diminished 7, because that would be built on an F sharp. So this is probably a secondary diminished 7th. Is this 7 in the key of 5, which is D? So if D is 1, C sharp is 7, that checks out. So we have a 7 diminished 7 of 5, so that puts us in our dominant, and then we have a regular old 5 chord here. So half cadence if you consider that to be the end of the phrase. That's what's going on here. See you next time.